Some women have healthy eggs, but they cannot conceive. But that doesn't mean they cannot become mothers or they cannot become parents. It's here where surrogacy plays an important role. Hello, I'm Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Chanitba IVF Center, Guwahati. So if you want to know more about surrogacy, who are the women that need surrogacy? Is surrogacy legal in India? How surrogacy is done? For all these questions to be answered, keep following our videos. We will be answering all these queries. Thank you.
Hak jengja aksiden ke Khlieh ke Longkmie Khlieh Khlad no hashen hadien baglas ayu aku kali kat bagadang ya dalam ti hak surok ba National Highway Bandrio bagani ke jengja kelaja hak shitrek ulber arajar arpun rio hak por kumbalai bejajan niat hak than kat armer Byrnihat kani ke Longkmie ke Khlad no kani ke belatip kerteng kum ke apsana katun arpun rio senam gerta ke wasyong basa ke senong dharamila hadalgau jong ke distrik Darang hak jela Assam bat katrai haka bhai hotel kat kum ka kubor beliau lum ni thu ba kene Longkmie ka Khlieh Khlad no hashen kadang ya linti kene ka thai haka ba kan san ka wei ka kali ka bamla bani thu ka tanra bat yo eka ni ki benta ka Khlieh hado ba kan pra bat kene kali ka lapet kerat na kene ka jaka na kaliang ki pat ba ka beli i kene ka jingja ka mare mani a jingerap ndre kene Longkmie ka Khlieh Khlad no hashen ba le pente pat ki pulet jong ka thanat Byrnihat ki balon ban penlong ya ka jing toket halo kene ka jingja hadin bala penlong ya kejing toket ki pulit klara no akan metjangka sukanong po civil hospital ban le ek postmortem baru ban thwet ka kali ke bala yu ek ni Longkmie bat ki pulit kendang penlong ya kejing toket